Power off the machine. If the machine will not be used for more than 1 day, disconnect the cable connections. Module cleaning. Lift the cover and remove the module cable. Take out the module from the bottom. Wipe the module surface with an alcohol cloth. Clean the window lens at the bottom of the module with an alcohol swab. Reinsert the module into the clamp, ensuring it is fully pushed to the bottom. Reconnect the module cable. X-axis cleaning and lubrication. Wipe the X-axis optical shaft with a clean cloth to remove all dust. Apply lubricant evenly to the optical shaft surface with a cotton swab. Manually move the module 2 to 3 times in the X-axis direction after wiping. Cutting plate preparation. For cutting tasks, use a grooved cutting plate. Remove the engraving base plate with a hex screwdriver and flip it over. Tighten the screws. Skip screwing if swapping plates frequently. Machine elevation and maintenance. Remove the screws behind the module and safely place the upper part of the machine. Clean dust from the fan with a high-pressure air gun and alcohol cloth. Lubrication of lifting groove. Apply lubricant to the lifting groove with a cotton swab for smooth operation. Ensure the left and right sides remain level when lifting, lowering the machine. Storage precautions. Wipe the machine surface with an alcohol cloth. Avoid storing Pixi on damp floors or in collision-prone areas. Instead, place it on a secure shelf. Perform at least one engraving or cutting task every 3 months.